Well, hello everyone. I'm reporting tonight. Oh my goodness, it's so windy out here. We're dealing with issues, with not having electricity here. It's hard for us to remedy certain things. We're just trying to make it through the weather tonight. Trying to stay off the roads. We better put some more wood in there. The furnace is going to click on again. We've been slaving all night, as you can tell. Everyone's struggling to stay warm, as you can see. Rebecca just fired up our cooking stove, set it to 325, watched the timer, and out came the brownies. Almost like a miracle. You wouldn't even know there is a blizzard. Reporting live from Wyoming, Michigan.